Storm track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Partly cloudy sky right now and through the first part of the night, but a gradual trend toward mostly and eventually cloudy weather as the next round of initially a snow moves in, kind of a slushy wet snow, and then changes over to a rain snow mix and then some rain late in the day. And then by late evening and into the day Thursday, it just gets downright cold as a very strong northerly wind will blow in. That wind will let up and the chilly sunshine carries on into Friday as well. Partly to mostly cloudy now at Junction City. Beautiful sunset at Emporia this evening with a few slivers of breaks in the clouds. Otherwise mostly cloudy right now. Currently in Topeka, we're looking at a temperature sitting at 40, light south wind at 3 miles per hour. And that comes after a high today of 46, morning low of 29. Fairly close to the averages still, but we're going to go way below average over the next couple of days out ahead of us. Tomorrow we'll kind of hold on to a little bit of these milder temperatures, which are still in place across the entire Central Plains. 40 is really not unusual temperature range for February. However, we head into the night tomorrow night, and that's when that cold air will be arriving. It's currently 37 at Manhattan, 39 at Clay Center, 41 for Emporia. Winds are trying to take on a light south direction. We'll see that tonight and through the most part during the daytime tomorrow. And that is one of the factors in the overall weather pattern for tomorrow is a light southerly wind, moisture on the increase coming up from the south. Storm system coming in from the southwest along with this moisture, which is already producing rain over Texas and southern Oklahoma. That will eventually converge on our area, but with a light south wind at the surface, temperatures are going to hover very close to the freezing mark. So it may be cold enough initially in the morning for a round of snow, light to moderate snow, especially over the southern half of the area. That'll continue to move across the southeastern counties, keeping most of the northwest fairly dry initially. And then a scattering of rain showers develop, and some right over the same areas. So the accumulation we may see tomorrow could very well be temporary, and then the cold front comes through and completely scours all this out. So we're not even looking at a lot of snow, first of all. We're looking at less than an inch for a large part of the area, probably none to the northwest. And then 1 to 2 inches of snow, but a lot of that's going to be on car tops, rooftops, grassy surfaces, and temporary, and real slushy at that. Once that melts away pretty quickly, we'll see that change over to rain happen, and then here comes the front. And this is perhaps the bigger story with this. The front comes sliding through. Wind chills will be falling in the evening hours to the single digits. Single digits near 10 below and teens below zero to nearly 20 below zero wind chill in our northern counties by Thursday morning. And then single digit wind chill highs with a cold round of air still for Friday, especially in the morning hours with near zero on the wind chill. Tonight really not that cold, and that's also part of it. This storm system's coming in before the cold air gets here. 32 for your low temperature tonight. 39 tomorrow with that light southerly wind will rise above freezing for a while. Snow early on may change over to rain a little bit and then wrap up, and then here comes the cold right after that. You'll see that on Thursday, a high of just 18 after a morning low of 9, and that again doesn't take the wind into account. Breezy on Friday, 11 in the morning with a high of 37. Windy on Saturday with a high of 47, and then up into the 50s Sunday, 60 degrees by Monday, and then turning colder on Tuesday. You look at that, sharply colder as we head into the start of the day on Thursday, but by next Monday we're looking at near spring-like weather. So it'll go from literally wind chills in the teens below zero to 60.
Little something for everybody.
Yes.
No kidding. Like a box of chocolates.
A little bit of something.